Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about how we can create levels, grids, and then we'll save the file. We'll link that Revit file in another project, and then we'll see how we can copy monitor levels and grids from a link file. Okay, so let's start. So right now, I have created two different Revit sessions as right here, and in one Revit session, we'll create a project which contains grids and levels, and then we'll link that file in another project. Okay, so let's start. So to create a grid, I need to go in architectural tab right here, and then at the right hand side you can see grids option right here. The shortcut command is gr, so you can play with that one. Okay, if you want to find that what's the shortcut key for that particular command, what you can do is that press ks shortcut command, and then you can type right here for grid. You can see the grid is gr right here. Gd is also mentioned as shortcut key. Whatever you want to figure it out, you can do it. If you want to remove this one, you can remove from right here. You want to add something, GG or something like that, you can do from right here as well. Okay, so that thing we can do, but right now I'm not going in that much depth because that's not a key topic. So I'll click on the grid right here, and then I can start creating my grid. Okay, so starting with 5, but I need to start it with 1. So what you can do is that you can type right here 1. Okay, now you can even create one more grid by gr command or cs command, because we already created one grid right here. Okay, you can do that. You can do that thing as well, but that's not a good practice. What you can do is that we can select a grid, co command, select grid, and then grid point means from where we want to copy, and the distance will be taken from right there. And now we can change the distance. Please make sure it should be multiple constraints so that it can only go in horizontal and vertical direction only. Okay, now you can press the what we can say, the distance. For example, I want the grids at 4 meter, each 4 meter, so I'm just pressing and enter, pressing and enter. Okay, I have created some grids till 5. Now I want to create vertical grids, so I press cs command again, and I'll create one grid right here. Okay, starting with 6, but I want to start this one with a, so I'll type right here a, and then again copy the things. So what I'll do is that 4,000, again 4,000. Okay, it's 400, no worries. uh, you got the point, right? So okay, I'll go with that one. But for example, you want to make it in a static manner. So what you can do is that you can go right here, move the circle to the nearby this one. All the grids will be moved in one go. Why it is moving? Because right here you can see the link lock icon. If I'll unlock this one, I can only move this particular grid. Okay, but now all these four grids are linked, so it will move in a perfect manner. But you wanted to lock it again, what you can do is that either you can move this one in the range of these ones, or you can move these one with this range. Okay, and then it's locked. Now if I'll move it, all 5 will be moved. Perfect. Same thing with them, I can move it. Okay, down, same thing with the bottom as well. But for example, you want to change the bubbles from top to bottom or something like that. What you can do is that there are two ways. If you want to change the bubbles for one or two grids only, you can do that thing by selecting that one, uncheck and check. Perfect. Let me control that. But now what I wanted to do is that I wanted to switch the bubbles for all the grids from right side to left side, from top to bottom. How I can do that thing in a single click. So for that one, select the grid, click on edit type right here. This kind of dialog box will be opened, and then you can select and one, uncheck and two, click on OK. All the bubbles will be switched to another end. Okay, that thing we can do. Now let's go with the levels. So for that one, I'll go in elevation view right here. The default two levels are right here, but I do not want to use them. I want to create my own level, so I'll delete both the levels. Okay, click on OK. Now I can see only my grids right here, so I'll stretch it a little bit and then I'll start creating the levels. How we can create the levels? Again, architectural tab, click on level right here and start creating a level. Starting with level 2. Why? Because the earlier levels were level 0 and level 1. To convert this level 2 to level 0 or whatever you want, you can rename it from right here. Like I want this ground floor. Okay. It's asking what do you like to rename corresponding view. Corresponding view means as I have created this particular level, automatically one particular view is created that is corresponding with this particular level. So if you want to change that particular level's name, you need to click on yes. If you do not want to change that particular level's name right there, then you have to click on no. But I would suggest go with yes always, because you can link the levels. Otherwise, what will happen is that is level 2. Right here, you can convert this into ground floor, but the name of that particular level's view will be level 2 only, so it'll be confusing for you. Okay, so right now I'll click on yes so that my level will be ground floor. So for that one, if I'll show you, this is the ceiling plan, but if I'll go in view tab, you can see the floor plans as well. Ground floor. Okay, okay, ground floor is somewhere. Yeah, it's right here. It's already right there, but I have duplicated that one. Okay, so that's our ground floor. But let me go in section. So I have created one level. Let me go with another one. Again, we can copy monitor or whatever we want, we can do that thing. Okay, so copy, move it. So it's for example basement, maybe basement level. So I'm just creating two levels only. Okay, now what we can do is that I'll save this particular Revit project, save it, save as project, and let me make it copy monitor. Perfect, where it is. Okay, now let me go with another Revit session meanwhile, and then I'll create a new Revit project by just any template that we can do is, let's go with system template right here, and then let me link that particular Revit file in this one. Okay, so I'll go in manage tab right here, click on manage links, add, and then I'll go right there, my computer, that was copy monitor, one. I'm not going with the worksets as of now. The worksets are key important thing if you are working in a big project. So please make sure that you are creating levels and grids in a proper workset and those kind of things. So this is our link right here. Okay, this is the same Revit file. Now what we can do is that we can copy monitor each and everything. So for that one, I need to go in 3D so that I can see each and every levels and grids of this particular Revit project. But it's not visible right here. Why it's not visible? We need to see that one. Zoom to fit, visibility, Revit links. It's checked right here. Annotation categories, grids are on, levels are off. Let me turn on the levels. Okay, zoom to fit. Perfect. Levels are right here. But okay, the default two levels are right here in this particular Revit project as well. So let me delete those so that it'll be very clear that we are not having any default levels. To check the grids, I'll go in schedules, new schedule, check with the grid. If there is any grid, I need to delete. Okay, I'll go with name in count. Okay, name should be at the top. Yeah, we are not having any grid. but the links grids are not visible in this one, right? So what we can do is that I'll go right here in the property tab, and I'll click on show grids right here, click on add it. Okay. In this one right now we are not having any grids. No worries. So what we'll do is that first of all we'll what we can say, copy monitor the levels, and then we'll copy monitor the grids, and then we'll use this command. Okay. Now what we can do is that click on Colbert tab right here, click on copy monitor, select the link from which we want to copy monitor the grids and levels. So please make sure you are selecting the right link. As you can see the name right here as well. Click on the link. This kind of pop-up or dialog box will be opened. Now right here I want to copy, so I'll click on copy. We want to copy multiple, and then create a window. Click on filter so that you can cross check only levels are selected. Okay. Click on finish right here, and then click on the copy monitor icon, click on finish again. My levels are copy monitored. Okay. Now for that one I need to go in view tab so that I can create the floor plans. Okay, right here we do not have any floor plans, ground floor and basement level, right? So what I can do is that I can go in view tab right here, floor plan, sorry, plan views, floor plan, both the levels I'll select. Okay, and now you can see it's ground floor right here and basement also right here. Perfect. In basement we cannot see the another grids. I will see about that one. Maybe it's view range or something like that. Click on ground floor. I can see each and every grid right here. So what I can do is that I'll go in Colbert tab again, copy monitor, select the link, then copy multiple, select each and every grid, filter, grids are selected. Okay, finish, and then again copy monitor, finish. Now you have to pin each and everything. First of all, let me remove my link. Okay, it's template is applied on this one. No worries. Either we can go right here in template, go right here, Revit link, and check. Okay. You can see the grids are right here. And schedule, if I'll go right here, I can see all the grids right here. In 3D, if I'll go right here, 3D, we cannot see the grids. So I'll go in the show grids option right here. I can see the grids for ground floor. Okay, I can see the grids are right here. So that's the option how we can copy monitor the grids and levels and Revit. So I hope that will help you guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.